childhood through middle childhood and young adulthood. Those of you who are not aware of what is Young Expressive Soul or YES is all about, I'll just give you a brief background. YES is actually not a group, it's a community of youngsters, and for the youngsters and definitely by the youngsters. It was conceived, it's a baby community, it was conceived last year around April 2012, and we started our performance with a very short 10-minute play, which was literally in-house because it happened in the house of one of the members. So what YES aims to do is basically, we are not interested in looking at talents in performing arts, or we are not teaching children any specific skills related to performing arts. What we are looking at is providing them with a platform so that they can connect and bond with their cultural roots, with their heritage, with their tradition and their values. So in an effort to do so, today it is not about the children singing songs in front of their parents or in front of a group. It's about understanding why we are here. It's about understanding what is Republic Day and why we are doing this. So what we did is, in an effort to teach the children the purpose of this performance, we did a couple of activities. The first one, we used to hold quizzes on India, general knowledge quizzes, asking them about the colors of the, as simple as colors of the flag, what is Indian flag known as, to more complex questions. Then the second activity we did is asking the children to create their own versions of Indian flag, keeping the colors intact. So the children actually took the Indian flags and then made their own creations on that, and you can see their creations on display here. And the third, probably most fascinating part of the activity was when we asked the performers to give either in verbally or in writing, what do they think about freedom? And they gave their own versions of what they mean by freedom, what is freedom to them. And they were so fascinating that what we did is we took all those expressions and put them in a narration. So when you hear this young boy narrating, you will also get to hear what the children thought about freedom, what freedom means to them when they're a child, when they're an adolescent, when they're young adults. So these three activities we did with the purpose of teaching children what is Republic Day and why they're here. But the most satisfying part of this process was to raise awareness and to raise funds for a noble cause, in this case to fight hunger around the world. So the children gave the participation fee, there was an amount fixed, they gave the participation fee with the full knowledge that they are contributing towards the World Food Program, which actually fights hunger across globe. And we donated that amount online to the World Food Program and got a response from them that they were able to utilize that money to feed 2,400 families across the world. So the children are aware of it and they're very proud of it, and thanks to the families for discussing it with them. So I hope I have been able to give you a brief background of what we did and how we progressed. And nothing would have been possible with the relentless support and enthusiasm of the youngsters and their families. They made it possible. We just had around 7 rehearsals of 1 hour every week. So whatever we are doing here may not be perfect, but we are doing it with a lot of passion and love for our country. And hopefully you will like our program. But before we start on the program, I would like you to watch a movie on World Food Program and the connection of Young Expressive Soul with the program. And this movie was made lovingly by one of the parents also. So kindly watch.